Welcome to CourseTrailers.com. We provide educational information in short video snippets. Presenting Introduction to Git and GitHub, offered by Google on the Coursera education platform. This course is part of the Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate. What you will learn in this course. Understand why version control is a fundamental tool for coding and collaboration. Install and run Git on your local machine. Use and interact with GitHub. Collaborate with others through remote repositories. This course will take you approximately 19 hours to complete and earn your first course diploma. We go in-depth into each of the courses that make up this professional certificate in additional videos that you can find below in the links and description area of this video. Be sure to check them out for more information.
Your instructors for this professional certificate will be from Google. Google Career Certificates are part of Grow with Google, an initiative that draws on Google's 20-year history of building products, platforms, and services that help people and businesses grow. Through programs like these, Google aims to help everyone, those who make up the workforce of today and the students who will drive the workforce of tomorrow.
Let's review the publicly available course syllabus. A total of 4 weeks of class make up this course. Your first week will be Introduction to Version Control. In this module, you'll be introduced to the concept of version control, which will make managing and rolling back your code look super easy. You'll learn how to differentiate between files and the tools at your disposal to make this happen. Next, you'll be introduced to Git and how you can leverage that platform to improve your coding abilities. Once you've got a grasp on what Git is, you'll install it and start using it to create and clone code repositories. Last up, you'll deep dive into Git in order to get more familiar with the different tools and commands it has to offer. Your second week will be using Git locally. In this module, you'll dive into advanced Git interactions by skipping the staging area for small code changes and understand how Git uses the head alias to represent checked out snapshots. Next, you'll explore how to move and remove files before finally getting a cheat sheet to help you in your Git explorations. The next step of your learning will include how to undo changes before committing and how to amend commits once they're submitted. Finally, you'll be able to identify errors in commits that were submitted a while back. In the final section of this module, you'll explore the concept of branching and merging. You'll learn what a branch is, how to create one, and how they work in harmony with you and your code. Once you're comfortable with branching, you'll dive into merging, how it works with branch data, and how to deal with merge conflicts. Your third week will be working with remotes. In this module, you'll be introduced to GitHub and learn how it works with Git. You'll create new repositories and clone those repositories onto your computer. Next, we'll explain what a remote repository is, how we can work with them, and how we can host them. You'll get familiar with commands like modify, stage, and commit, which will be used for local changes, as well as the fetch command, which can pull any changes from remote repositories. Our final lesson will focus on learning about conflicts. This will allow you to explore the concepts of pull merge push workflows, pushing remote branches, and rebasing your changes. Your fourth week will be collaboration. In this module, you'll continue to explore the collaboration tools available in Git. You'll learn about the tools that are available to help improve the quality of your code and to better track your code. This includes an overview of pull requests and how the typical workflow of a pull request looks like on GitHub. Next, you'll dive into how you can squash changes in your code. We'll finish up by providing you with a cheat sheet on fork and pull requests. Next up, we'll cover what code reviews are and what the code review workflow looks like. Then, you'll learn about how to use code reviews on GitHub. The final lesson of this module will focus on managing projects. We'll take a rundown of best practices on managing projects and how to manage collaboration within those projects. We'll explore different ways of tracking issues and finish up by discussing the concept of continuous integration with your projects.
As you can see here, this is a very highly rated course. There are over 1,100 reviews with an average of 4.8 stars out of 5. That should give you great confidence that you will be getting one of the best courses in this area of study.
Start learning today. When you enroll, you will have access to education taught by top companies and universities. affordable programs. Apply your skills with hands-on projects. Learn on your own schedule. Course videos and readings. Graded quizzes and assignments. No degree or experience required for many programs. Shareable certificate upon completion. Once you complete each course in this professional certificate, you will receive a course certificate. You can share your course certificates in the certification section of your LinkedIn profile and showcase what your hard work earned you. From all of us at CourseTrailers.com, we sincerely hope you found this information helpful. Please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving this video a thumbs up. To learn more about many other online courses, certificates, specializations, and much more, check out our other videos. Enjoy!